1 minute guys, 1 minute.
Ikaw, poste talaga. Uy, nalipad na bubong.
Okay guys, enter.
Siya.
Ay, nako. Those who cannot enter on time, wait for serpent. Bilis naman ah. Go serpent, go serpent. Yeah, do not defend shadow anymore, guys. Just leave it. Go Blackfort ah, go Blackfort, go Blackfort. Guys, let's break it fast. People are coming in.
Meron tao sa fire ha.
20 dark inside. Spread out. Go to inner city, entrance, go to inner city entrance. Okay guys, let's wait here for bounty. Tingnan nyo, wala naman little guild na pumapasok sa atin. Don't take Bell. Who's taking Bell? Don't take Bell. No one there now. Okay, thank you. Someone's coming inside na.
Oh, 5.
Wait, we'll wait here until bounty, guys.
First.
Got kicked out. I cannot go into Blackport anymore.
Kaya pala wala napasok. Binabanatan na ni Panda dito sa labas eh.
Bounty up. Mo kay na iba imo. Focus on tier 1 guys those who will go outside, focus on tier 1. I need people still defending Blackport so that our breakers can take tier 1 bounties.
Tier 1, Red Moon, Rose Town.
Red Moon, Rose Town, Sunset, Starry.
Long Spear.
Is Long Spear included? Long Spear is also included.
Rose Town naman. Full na. Red Moon nakakapasok.
Blackport people, Blackport, attention, attention. Um, if I tell you to go to Sharkshire, go to Sharkshire ha.
Dami essentials dito. Sa Red Moon.
Go Sharkshire now, everyone or most of you guys, since Blackport isn't being attacked. Sharkshire.
Taga ko.
Rally in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rally up.
Cheat code. Yan.
After this, immediately go back to Blackfort, guys, ha?
Hey, boss.
Blackfort. We're not going to spread out until the last few minutes because they're just going to take it from us. We can't afford to defend a lot of castles tonight since we're not at least 100 people online. Good job, guys. That's it. Quick switch. See you in the next 15 minutes. No, the bounty's already ours. We're just getting the bounty points and then we're gonna capture towers later. Let them take it. If we're done with bounties and you guys want to push a little, Grizzly is open. Darken side won't defend it anymore, I think, because I believe Darken side will start somewhere else. Where are you guys? Where are you? Darken side is starting from Sunset. They're trying to get it. Jade Forge is gonna get taken by Little Kill. Ate Kelly, hindi kita ma-accept sa raid kasi full yung party ng raid tapos naka-request ka as party. If anyone can take Grizzly, you are free to do so. They gave up on Sharkshire? Talaga? What's happening to Queen? Where are the Queen members? They're defending Sunset and Star. Let them take Sharkshire, don't defend it anymore guys. It's too far from us anyways. After Grizzly, again just rotate left. No one's, I think Dark Inside is taking Shadow. That's okay. Don't have anywhere else to go, it's still early. This is the first bounty. Let's keep a low profile guys. As you see, Essentials and Little Guild are the ones fighting for the map. Essentials is attacking Jade Fort and Little Guild is attacking Goldcrest.
Are we? Because we're taking Grizzly.
Okay, go take Grizzly. But stop there. We're gonna limit ourselves to that. Ah, who took Red Moon? Is it from Bounty?
Parang
Bounty is over na kanina pa. Okay, stop taking castle na. Stop taking castles after Grizzly ah. Dark Inside is taking Shadow Town. For a town that's undefended, they sure are taking a while. I don't know why. Okay, stop there now. Let them take Shadow Town. And no one's really attacking Shark talaga. I thought they'd retake it by now. I got the priority in check already. Blackport is on top 1. Then Grizzly, Sharkshire, and then Redwood Shadow. Ano, gusto ko nang tulungan yung mga tao sa Shadow. Yun, nakuha na nila sa wakas. Okay, bounty up. Oh, fuck. Bounty tayo, Blackport, bounty.
Click.
Weak. We're gonna defend, we're gonna leave Red Moon open. This is tier 3 bounty. I would advise everyone to leave the castle right now. Because it's gonna reset anyway, it will save you the time from loading because you got kicked out. Blackfort, leave. It's gonna reset in a few seconds. Go back as soon as possible. Go.
Essentials.
Push out. Oh, Blackfort. Obli down. Don't let anyone else pass. Don't let anyone else pass. Other members can deal with them. It's okay. It's okay, Yuna. It's okay. Because one member cannot break an entire castle. Harry Potter. Boss N, kung gusto mo ikaw, hanapin mo sa loob. Liquid Guild is coming in, coming in.
Dragon.
Puntahan mo nga.
Dami nila.
Puntahan nyo.
May pumapalo.
We have 4 towers. If that is not a GX breaker, it's just going to heal up. Deploy EL, and keep on casting your AoE skills. Shuras, Soul Cage. One day, just keep on dancing. Yes, we have like 3 Shuras. Si Yasha.
Yasha saka si Kira.
Kira also, Kira. After this second bounty, let's take Serpent and Scorpion. No, don't go to Antler. That's beside Little Guild already. Queen isn't defending Scorpion anyways. I think they don't also have a lot of people online tonight. They only have 16 defending Nightingale and 21 defending Star. Really? Dark Inside is leading. Okay. Okay. We got the point already. We're tied with Dark Inside. 1 point ahead is essential, and we're not gonna be able to make it to Queen's points, I think, but we'll try. We'll get Scorpion and Serpent. Grizzly is up for grabs also, and let's stop there.
si Marco. Kabalesa siya. Ano nga yun, boss? Grizzly sa
retake.
Shadow.
Retake. No, not Shadow. Grizzly, Serpent, and Scorpion. Yun na. Bloom, Sop, Kira. Let's go. Let's move to, Let's move to Scorp. A lot of people are already defending it.
Dito ako, Serpent.
Yun na. Okay.
Eh, may bantay.
Yes, meron pa, Kazuma. But, with the way, with how we are now, we can't afford to push late. So we're pushing now.
Serpent may bantay sa inner.
Let's just hope. Let's just hope that, our castles don't get selected by bounty. Lots of people on the right side entrance of Serpent, Scorpion. Shark Share is bounty. Wait, I'm checking bounty right now. Let me just hide in the dungeon. And Killer. Sage Sword. Sage Shells. Free ba? Pagutin niyo yung mga tier 1 ng ng Darkin. Those who are pushing Scorpion and Serpent, please keep an eye out on the map. Check if there are any attackers on Black Fort. And everyone, right now I'm infiltrating Jade Fort.
Dito ako, Serpent.
So I'll let you know when to transfer. Transfer.
Boss.
Queen is checking our defenses in Black Fort.
Gawa siguro nito inatake ni namin na serve. Pulasan sila dito. Ay, ako.
Shark is Castle Rush Shark is Castle Rush. Morty, kaya mo yun?
Ay.
Two minutes. 29 people. Can we beat 29 little guild people? Okay. Those who are available, please transfer to Jade Fort now. Now. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is just right beside the Imperium, guys.
Dami.
They're
Hindi pa ako
F-heavy.
naka-auto. Oo. Mismong gitna, boss.
Hindi naman gitna. Gilid naman.
Kung pwede gulat eh.
Sabi ko naman sa inyo eh.
Eh, patay.
Resu. Always look for Resu. Shit, patay tayo.
Ay,
Okay, nice try. Nice try.
gugulat sila.
Nice try.
Hindi lang yan.
Okay. No one's attacking Black Fort right now, right? Is there anything we can take right now? Essential.
Boss, may queen dalawa ha.
Sige lang,
Sa
sige lang.
Blackheart.
Keep an eye out lang.
Baka ma-equal yan.
No, we're not gonna be able to defend it. We're not gonna make it to essential. So let's capture Serpent and Scorpion already. Let's capture tier 2s. Come on. My party go to Serpent, please. And ikaw na mag-hold ng Blackport and Okay, let's move to Scorpion.
Nineteen ako.
Ilan pa tayo? Base check. Capture towers. Slow push. Yan, push. Okay, base check.
Uy, nandito sila. Left side. Marami.
Left side, so many defenders and try entering on the right side.
Ay, yes, dami.
Guys, if you can fall into the dungeon, the better.
Ay, patay. Dami nila sa loob.
Left side is free, oh.
Sila kanina yan, boss. Nandyan, pagpasok na. Nandyan yan. Dami.
Okay, nakata ko sila. Sige. Thank you.
Ay. Dami. Go po. Ba yan?
Guys, let's regroup. Let's regroup. Regroup in soil. Okay. Let's enter on the right side. I'm going in first, and then follow me right after. I'm gonna drop oblique. Go inside.
Valeria pala to. Diyos ko po. Ay, naku. Why?
Wala. Lumalaban sila. Let's try to get points somewhere else, if that's the case. We have 4 minutes. Ooh. Let's take Serpent and the tier 1s above them. So everyone Serpent. Except the ones who are defending on block. We still have 3 minutes, guys.
Pag sa lubong mo si Valeriada. Eh, nandito ang Dark Inside.
Sniper Skya is here. Dark Inside is here also. Are they allied? Why are they killing? Nandun pala. Dark Inside Castle pala to. We have a spawn in fire. I'm gonna try and steal soil. Keep spawning in fire, guys.
Kunin ko na rin yung...
Kitchen is open. Yun na, move up to the stairs. Yan, tama. Dito tayo. Kill anyone who will spawn. Nice, okay. Let's take tier 1s. Either Firetown or Silver. Let's take both. Let's maximize 5 castles. My party, let's take Fire party. Can someone take Silver, especially those who have GX in their party, so that you can take fast. 1 minute, guys. Where are you guys? 56 seconds. Can you make it?
Di kaya silver, boss.
44 seconds and ano. GG well played. Gago, tatlong mga mage naghahampasan ng Imperium. Pogi. We need a GX. Go Venom. Venom, double dagger.
Kaya pa, yun! Nasundot.
Nice one. Kami di naabot. Si Venom lang GX eh. Let's check. We did not make it to ano? We didn't make it to top 3. It's okay. So long as Dark Inside is bottom.
Yeah.
Good overrun, even if we are just a few people online. GG's. Stay safe, guys. Prioritize your safety in these trying times. GG's. Boxes at 55. Bye.
Boss, nag-build.